Hey sugar babies, welcome back to my channel. To the new subscribers or the passerbys, welcome. Subscriber, there, like, share, comment, do the things all. Okay. Let's not even move too fast. Do you see this? I have a mic now. So I have a mic now, so I hope my sound will be better and improved. The most has I'm serious the content. I'm like, but anyways, by the title of this video, you can see that we'll be talking a lot about gut health and just its benefits and the meals that I've ate through the week to improve my gut health.
Please check out the Swazi dietitian on Instagram. She just did a post on acne and nutrition.
So how I know that my gut health sucks right now is my skin. Look at this. I'm not breaking, like, I don't break out like this. I don't know if this is heat rash, but it gotta go. It gotta go. So yeah, this has always been an indicator for me that, oh, okay, my gut health sucks. So we need to do something about it. And I see balance, okay? And that's pretty much what we're on about now, especially after the festive season where we're eating, drinking. We just wanna get everything back together and be snatched because wow, being bloated, Jesus. You know, especially once you hit the third floor, it's like your body, your digestive system just declines. And now you just really have to be so intentional about how you eat and just everything. I mean, of course you do like fall off the wagon, which is like normal. But no, nothing was the same. Also, I'm drinking some kombucha, which is good. It's a fermented drink. I get my kombucha from, is it James Greenwood? I will share his contact maybe on the description if you would like to order. I think, hold up. One of these goes for, I think it goes for 95 Rand. And then if you buy in 3, it's like 260. So yeah, this is a 1.5 liter. It comes in different flavors, but I prefer the ones with ginger. This one is lemongrass and ginger, but the one I'm drinking is just ginger brew. What I've also done was, this is the oats I use. It's a Black Mamba brand. I mean, it's part of the Black Mamba family, but it's called Green Mamba. And you can get it at any food outlet, Pick n Pay, Spar, as well as their breakfast seeds, which are really, really good. They are packed with fiber, high in fiber and omegas. Really, really good. Put in my breakfast, I put in my salad. And I started eating some sorghum. I got this from Mongi Botanicals. Please do go check it out as well. It's at Malandela's. So these are just some sorghum grain. I've substituted it instead of rice and pap. Anyways, you don't even eat pap in the house. If you want pap, you go buy it at that's bone. So yeah, this is what I've also incorporated in my diet. So I'm really trying to also, you know, support the locals. So back to the business. So yeah, that's how I've always known that my gut sucks based on my skin. I get flare-ups as like eczema flare-ups. I was like little ringworm like things, be it on my arm, my chest, my thighs. So then I'll know, okay, something's afoot. One thing I also want to incorporate is walking, since I no longer go to the gym for reasons. Will I go back? Honestly, I don't know. But yeah, right now I'm not going to the gym, and I do want to incorporate walking, at least, and get some steps in, because I mean, walking is like really one of the easiest ones. So I will try to get those in the mornings, because yeah, I always prefer like exercise in the mornings, not the afternoon. Hell nah. Especially now that I have Star. I'll just carry her in her little bag and just take walks with her until, well, she's fully vaccinated, which she isn't yet. And it sucks. So I can't even step outside with her. It's just a home pony. You see, she's just sleeping. So yeah, she sleeps a lot. I don't think they sleep this much. But then during the day she sleeps a lot, and then at night she's up and just wants to be all up in my face. But I want to sleep, so I really sleep now. So in the video, I'll share some of the meals I've been eating, the benefits of some of the foods that I choose to incorporate in my meals, and hope you guys enjoy the video. I mean, let's get into it together, please. I don't want to do it alone. Yeah, let's take care of our gut. It improves our mood, our energy, balances hormones. It's good for us. Let's try it, man. I mean, also give ourselves grace that we're not always going to be in line. I mean, sometimes we're not even jab here and there. So yeah, let's get into this video. I hope you enjoy.
morning. Hope you guys are good. So today I want to go to Mbabane to go get some kombucha. Never got it at Malandela's or at Because Corner because I wanted the big jugs. So yeah, let's go get it and I'm gonna check you there. Get in your bag. In your bag. Let's go.
Just 3 for you, mate?
Yes.
You want extras in case you change your mind?
Hey, sugars. So I'm home now and I wanna make some lunch. Hey, sugar babies. I want to go to the kitchen now. I want to make a snack. And then while I eat my snack, I want to make supper. Oh my God.